This is day 24 of a vlog every day. Today we're gonna talk about water heaters. Dude said that his electric bill has been much higher than usual, so right now I'm testing the heating elements to make sure both of them are working. I'm using what's called a multimeter made by Klein Tools. Ohms. We're checking for continuity. One screw with the red, one screw with the black. This particular one, it reads about 13, but if it's not reading anything, then that heating element's fried and you want to get a new one. That's how you test a heating element in a water heater.